Hello again. Today we're visiting the amazing Museum of the City of Łódź, which is housed in the Poznański Palace, a grand 19th century mansion that once belonged to the industrialist Izrael Poznański. And the palace is located right next door to the cotton mills that he used to own, which is now being converted into a hotel, retail and leisure complex. The museum showcases the city's history, culture and industrial past with a focus on its textile industry, prominent residents and multicultural heritage. Inside there are lavishly decorated period theme rooms that reflect the wealth of the city's industrial elite in the past. And as well there is a dedicated exhibition to the pianist Arthur Rubinstein. So there's a lot to see, so let's go inside the unassuming entrance and check this museum out. Inside you turn right to the ticket office where you can buy a ticket. Normally this will cost you 22 zloty or around €5.25 or £4.40, but as we visited on a Wednesday, we got in for free. So with ticket in hand you start off your visit at the grand staircase, which is a really impressive room. The museum route begins by climbing the staircase, so let's head on up and look around. The stairs are very creaky though, which is a bit funny. Anyway, while we're going up, now would be a good time to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more from this channel. Thanks very much for doing that, and let's head on around the upper floor, with the first room being the grand ballroom. The rest of the floor is all richly decorated in a period style, so I'll let you explore on your own and meet you later when you get to the Rubinstein section. Enjoy! Hello again, hope you enjoyed the tour so far. We're now entering a section dedicated to the pianist Rubinstein. Born in the city, he is one of the most famous pianists of all time, and this part of the museum is dedicated to his achievements and lasting legacy. Once through here, we'll visit 3 more small rooms in a traditional style before we head downstairs to the basement. I'll meet you down there in a moment. Okay, we're now down in the basement section of the museum where the exhibit takes you through the full history of Łódź from the earliest settlers right through to modern times. We're now heading up the stairs to the ground floor to see just one more room before we leave. And as we're wrapping up, don't forget to like and subscribe. We're heading off now to our next destination, and you can come too by clicking on the thumbnail on screen now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video somewhere else in the world. See ya!